Homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings.
Sun,
Sun,
flower,
flower,
sea,
sea,
witch,
witch,
right,
right,
blue,
blue,
pear,
pear,
carrot,
carrot,
flu,
flu,
cell,
cell,
deer,
deer,
male,
male,
jeans,
jeans,
meat,
meat,
board,
board,
ant,
ant,
eight,
eight,
scent,
scent,
four,
four,
great,
great,
whole,
whole,
tail,
tail,
eye,
eye,
no,
no,
one,
one,
piece,
piece,
waist,
waist,
principal,
principal,
road,
road,
break,
break,
steel,
steel,
night,
night,
week,
week,
band,
band,
bow,
bow,
nail,
nail,
desert,
dessert,
hanger,
hanger,
read,
read,
wear,
wear,
wait,
wait,
route,
route,
sail,
sail,
made.
made. Hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.